Hello everyone, hello guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to back up your Windows with all your program and all your setting. The first, you should go to Windows search, and after that, please write Control Panel and open it. After that you will see this. Please press on view by and choose small icons. After that, please press on backup and restore and press on create a system image and wait a few minutes please. um, After that you will see this. Please press on hard disk, and after that press on this and it shows any location you want or any drive you want to install backup in it. And please press next and press next and press start back up and wait a few minutes please to finish it. uh, After that please press go to start list and press on setting, and after that you will see Windows setting. Please press on update and security, and after that please press on recovery and press on and go to advanced start up and press on restart now and wait a few minutes to restart. Please wait a few minutes. Wait a few minutes please. After that you will see this. Please you will see choose an option. Please press on troubleshoot, and after that please press on advanced option, and after that please press on system image recovery and wait a few minutes please. Wait a few minutes. Wait a few minutes please. Wait a few minutes please. Wait a few minutes. After that please press on this and press enter. If you if you have any password, please write on this and press continue. After that please press on use the last available system image, and you will see your system image and location, data and time and computer, and press next and press finish and press yes and wait to finish. Wait Windows restore, wait a few minutes to finish, and after it finish your computer will restart and open. After open you will see your Windows will restore with all program and with all setting all everything inshallah. uh, Thank you. I'm Ahmad Tari in La Rocas 99. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please press subscribe and like on my video. Please press subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.